According to Teslarati, Tesla's unique diner, drive-in theater, and supercharger station in Los Angeles is nearing completion. The main parking lot and diner building at 7001 Santa Monica Boulevard appear almost finished, with significant interior progress reported. The site will feature Tesla's V4 superchargers, some of which were recently uncovered after being installed in late September. However, an adjacent lot, set to host additional superchargers, still requires grading and paving. While Tesla could open the diner before completing the adjacent lot, no official opening date has been announced yet. The project began construction in September 2023 after gaining approvals in 2022, with the concept first proposed by Elon Musk in 2018. The diner will include an outdoor screen playing iconic movie scenes and a food menu displayed when parked. A large LED screen was installed in November 2023, marking another milestone for the project. Tesla is currently hiring for the location, suggesting an opening could happen in the coming months. You are listening to Yuan News.